Hey, what's up guys? It's your friend Fast Eddie, and today I wanted to do just a quick update on my 52-inch Craftsman tool chest. Now this is for the upper and lower set. Let's take a quick look around, see what I do like, what I don't like, and how it's held up for the past 6 months. So let's get into it. So let's take a quick look at them individually. Let's check out the top chest first, and let's see what's going on with that. Obviously here we got the 8 drawer setup with the top that opens up. We can expand that real quick. I'll show you how the lid pulls up. Obviously it does have the really nice, I guess I shouldn't say really nice, but it's got the shocks on it, struts, whatever you want to call it. They're pretty nice. They've held up so far for 6 months. It still lifts up very easily on its own. You barely touch it. I'll pull it down, you can hear them. But like I said, we'll flip it open. Just take one finger here, grab it, flips up no problem. So, yeah, they've held up very well. Inside, same as just about any other toolbox in this price range. You do have some outlets in here, which are very cool. You got the light, shows you when everything is charging. You know, I do have a couple batteries in here charging up, so plenty of room in here, guys. It is the 52-incher, so I just have a few things in here right now, but as you can see, pretty decent size, pretty decent capacity up top. Height, not the greatest. I do have my propane torch here. And as you can see, it does not fit in there. If you go to close it, you will obviously hit it. So not a huge amount of room in the top, but enough for small goodies and charging up your batteries and various tools. So that's a good thing. It does have the embossed Craftsman up here and the letters. I don't know if you can see it. Some of them, I believe, have like a little sticker or something on the inside. I don't know which set that is, but not this one. It did come with the non-slip mat for the top here, which was pretty nice. And it also came with the mat for the top on the actual chest itself, the bottom chest. So that was nice. All right. Let's see what else we got. It's not the thickest metal in the world, guys. Like I said, in this price range, you're not going to have super thick metal like a snap-on metal or anything like that. But it has been decent. It's out here in a non-climate control garage, and so far there hasn't been any rust. So that was pretty pretty cool. I did wax this, however, so I think that provides a little bit of help. But as soon as I got it, I went ahead and threw a coat of wax on here. So there is the top, all open. This is a nice height when it's open. I'm only 5'9", so this is probably a little over 6 foot when fully extended. I'll put that stuff in the description below, the actual dimensions of the entire box. But yeah, for the top box, here we go. Now, let's get into my major complaint that I have with these boxes. The drawers. Now, I mainly bought this for the soft close features, but it sucks otherwise. Every time you open up a drawer, it's a pain in the butt. You have to, see how it sticks, and then the whole box moves on you. You got to take your thumb and push off on the top of another one to get it to pop open. And you guys know what that means. When you pop open your drawer, all your tools go everywhere. Now, I have some of the non-slip mats in some of the other drawers, but I wanted to show you what this thing does every time you open a drawer. It's got the soft close feature. Nice, that's great, right? I would trade that any day for having to pull these stupid things open. See that? You've really got to take it and put your thumb up here, still push it open. And by the time you get open, everything slides all around. I would rather have easy open drawers than this slow closing crap any day of the week. Every drawer is like that. Every single one. And you can see how it shakes the box every time you go to open up a drawer. So if your tools aren't, you know, on a non-skid mat, they go everywhere. So there's no like little junk drawer or anything like that without your stuff going all over the place. That is my main gripe about this entire box. Nothing in this one, obviously. No slip in there, so shut it, it's fine. But it's the same way on the bottom too, guys. You gotta open the drawer. You've got to pull it open so your stuff flies everywhere. Kind of a pain. Nice soft close, but that open is a pain in the butt. Okay, otherwise, let's see what else we got going on here. Handles. Handles have been good. Once again, no rusting out. I haven't picked anything up with the full weight of the tools inside the box, but with no tools, they lift up easily. Nothing pulls out, nothing bends or anything like that, so that's good. Bottom chest here, you have just the handle on the one side for moving it around back and forth. No big deal. I'd like to have handles on both sides, but that's just me. There's the bottom chest. The emblems have stayed on there. Like I said, it's only been 6 months, but they're just plastic. So obviously they're not going to rust, but you know, the stickiness stays well. Top and bottom. Now I went ahead and put my own little sticker on there. Nothing large or dumb looking, but just a nice little Ford Racing sticker. Obviously, got the handle on the other side of the top box. None on this side is stated. Casters, they're okay. Nothing great. They're not rubber, they are plastic. So when you have a lot of weight in here, it's a kind of a pain in the butt to move. They could have done a better job. I know this is the lower price range of some toolboxes, but even still, this could have been better. The plastic wheels, I don't know how much weight they can actually support. Maybe I'll put that down below as well, but it's a pain to move on plastic wheels. But let's see. Overall, I can't think of any other gripes. I have not had any other problems. The keys work well. Obviously, up here you can lock it. You have a lock and unlock button in there. That's pretty cool. But the keys go in, they fit well. Nothing has stuck or anything like that. Excuse me. So everything that's supposed to work still works at 6 months. Like I said, the only thing is the drawer slides. I bought this online and they delivered it to the house, so I could not test this function out in the store. But it's a pain. This probably would have stopped me from buying this box for sure. But I did get it on sale, so and free delivery from Sears. So that was kind of the selling point. And the selling point, I'll tell you, this top box alone for the 52-inch was on sale for $350. The bottom box, I believe, was on sale for $450 because it said that it was originally like $4.99 or something, so I got 50 bucks off of that. And then I think I got like 100 bucks off the top one, so not too bad. But yeah, guys, there's my little review so far of the 52-inch box from Craftsman. Under $1,000, this is probably, I guess, what you can expect to get as far as quality and any type of concerns that you would have. I believe this is probably about the same type of quality as the Milwaukee and the DeWalt box in the same price range. But this one, I got a bunch of free, like Sears cash or something like that. That's the only reason I went with this one instead of the DeWalt. I really like the DeWalt one as well, but it was about the same thickness of metal. It was about the same height, and everything else was almost exactly the same. So I went ahead and got this one. It was on sale, and I got the free cash. Like I said, my only complaints so far are the drawers. Other than that, it's held up well. Only been 6 months, but no rust like that, no drawer slippage, no sticking, no anything like that. Keys all work. So yeah, so far so good. It's been a good box. I'd say, guys, if you can get this in the $550 to $600 range, you'll be getting a good deal. Well, thanks for watching, guys, and I'll catch you next time.